Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a fun basic tap routine. This one's a little more on the beginning level, but remember we can always speed it up to make it a little more intermediate and challenging. So let's grab those tap shoes, watch a quick preview, and let's get started. Okay guys, to begin this one, we're going to shuffle side to side. Shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel. From here, we're going to shuffle, ball change, shuffle, back, front. Then we're going to do an Irish, shuffle, hop, step. And we're going to step those feet together. Try not to have those heels on the ground unless there is a heel movement. So we go, shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, back, front, shuffle, hop, step. From there, you're going to shuffle again side to side. Shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel. From here, you're going to go shuffle, back, front, step. So it's slightly different than the first count of 8. We just do an extra ball change. So both of those counts of 8 put together will sound like this. Facing the back. And a little bit faster, it'll sound like this. Moving on from there, we're going to do 2 paradiddles. Dig, spank, toe, heel, dig, spank, toe, heel. From there, we're going to do a cramp roll, toe, toe, heel, heel. Then we're going to do heel, toe, side to side. So that third count of 8, we'll go 1 and 2 and 3. And that third count of 8 facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Moving on from there, we're going to flap outside heel then inside heel as we're turning. Flap out in. Flap out in. And then I want to make sure I'm facing this side when I finish both of those 2. From there, we're going to scuff, pop, spank, pop, scuff, toe, heel. Once again, that's scuff it through, pop, spank, pop, scuff, toe, heel. So those last 2 counts of 8 will look like this. Facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And let's go ahead and piece that all together. 5, 6, 7, nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and facing the back nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, moving on from there, we're gonna go shuffle, scuffle, flap, back heel, front heel. So the difference between a shuffle and a scuffle is the shuffle, you're just using the ball of your foot. The scuffle, you're scuffing through and then spanking. So that'll be shuffle, scuffle, flap, back, then front. Now we're going to do a very similar combo on the other side. Shuffle, scuffle. You're going to go flap, step. So that whole 8 count will sound like this. From there, we're going to do 2 drawbacks, which is spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. We're going to do 1 Cincinnati, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, toe. From there, we're going to drag that toe to finish it out. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that's just dragging it with the heel. We go drag, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank. So those last 2 counts of 8 piece together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. This is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And those last 2 counts of 8 facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and a 2. Spank, heel, shuffle, heel, toe. Drag 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, let's go ahead and piece this together nice and slow from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And facing the back, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit more before we piece it together with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And faster facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, it is now time to piece this combo together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down. So good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tap combo. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.